Hello and welcome to the Project Garage. Today's project was do-it-yourself homemade ATV plow markers, and they're going to mount on either side of the plow there. And to accomplish that, parts we're going to use, we got 1/2-inch Sharkbite water tubing. Got two pieces cut at 18 inches. And two pieces of 1/2-inch EMT electrical conduit cut at 2.5 inches long, and it's going to be mounted with two 5/16 bolts, nuts, washers. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of these pieces of Sharkbite pipe and insert it into this 1/2-inch EMT. And if you have cut that with a tubing cutter, it may not fit. In that case, you can take it over here to the vise and ream it until it does fit. Okay, that will fit in there now. And we're going to go ahead and tap it so it's flush with the other side. And once it's flush to the other side, like that, I'm going to take it and take the width of the jar of the vise, which is approximately 1 inch, and just go ahead and squeeze that. Make sure that you're relatively straight. And then on this plow, where it mounts on the top, I'm going to have to bend this piece at 90 degrees so that I can bolt it into the top of the plow. If the plow was straight or mounted on the side, I could bolt it in that manner. But in this case, I'm going to have to bend it at 90 degrees, drill a hole, and mount it with a bolt through this opening already in the plow. And then at that point, we'll just bore a hole down through here to accept that bolt to mount to the plow. Okay, all we got to do is go over to the plow and mount that, and then we'll just duplicate that same procedure on that side and mount them both, and I'll bring you back when I get that done. And here they are, all mounted. That side, and I think they'll serve the purpose, and they appear to be rugged yet flexible. Okay, we'll see you on the next one.